Kumna ban malen yalade ban keren pareng man la kesni. Pada pihak channel to yang kena ke video wan klat ban like share and subscribe wan klat tu ban page step by step kenang ban pihak channel to yang kena ke video wan klat tu ban share lam si perlak lan hanya centipede. Okay. Talk to yourself. Keren yalade. Listen to yourself. Snam yalade. Watch yourself talk. Pen yalade ba pin keren. Another unique way to practice speaking and build your confidence is to use a mirror. Sa kowai kalenti kaba compare ban persyang keren ban ban yo ya kacing shilor kalang ma pin pendan kam ya kayit kmi. By looking at yourself speak in the mirror, you will be able to see da kaba pi pe yalade ba pin keren ha kayit kmi pin la ban yo in. If you have friends or family members who speak English, you should take and do advantage from them. Lada pi don ki perlak lene ki bahayin hasam ki bakran paren pi hapan shim kalak kakabo dangki. You need to explain that you want to speak English. You need to explain that you want to speak English. Pi don kam ban batai ba pi kwa ban keren haktin paren. Pi don kam ban batai ba pi kwa ban keren haktin paren. I hope these few points will help you. I hope these few points will help you. Nga kermen ba kine kicing kedeu ki ba kintiat kan yara pipi. Nga kermen ba kine kicing kedeu ki ba kintiat kan yara pipi. I hope you will learn not by watching but practicing. I hope you will learn not by watching but practice. Nga kermen pin senang da kaba pej henry da kecing persyang. Nga kermen pin senang da kaba pej henry da kecing persyang. If you dream it, you can achieve it. Lada pi don kacing personal pi la banjam. Don't trace yourself. What bin kuslai yalade. Talk to someone you trust. Kren ya kino ki ba pi shanya. Do you have time to talk to me? Pi don or banya keren bat nga. Actually, I don't have time to talk to you. Ha kecing shisha ngam don por ban ya keren bat pi. Because I have some work to do. Namar na don kato katne ki kam ban le. Can we talk tomorrow? Long ba nin ya keren la shy. Tomorrow I'm gonna live here. La shy nan mi no nang ne. I'm not afraid to do this alone. Ngam teng ban le ya kan ne marbai. I'm not afraid of anything. Ngam teng yano ro.